हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद एनसीईआरटी स्टैंडर्ड 8 चैप्टर 1 रैशनल नंबर्स. It is rightly said that mathematics is the science of quantities, and to deal with the quantities we need numbers. We started our journey of numbers when we were in preschool. We started counting things like 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are known as counting numbers. Counting numbers are endless. Here n is a variable which can take any value. Counting numbers are also known as natural numbers and they are denoted by the capital letter N. Now here we observe that in natural numbers 0 is missing. If we include 0 in the set of natural number, we get a new set of numbers that is known as whole numbers, and the set of whole numbers is denoted by letter W. So it is 0 and all natural numbers. Next, we find that there are situations where we need negative numbers also. So when we include negative numbers in the set of whole numbers, we get a new set of numbers that is known as integers. And the set of integers is denoted by I or Z. So negative numbers, 0 and positive number together make a new set which is known as set of integers. Next we come to the main topic, that is rational number. Any number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q is known as rational number. P upon Q form means numerator upon denominator, where P and Q means numerator and denominator both are integers and Q cannot be equal to 0. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, minus 8 upon 13, 5 upon minus 19, etc. all are rational number because both numerator and denominator, they are integers and they all are in the form of P upon Q. So what about the numbers like 3, 4, 7,
etc.
means natural numbers? We take an example of the number 3. We can express 3 as 3 upon 1. Here both 3 and 1 are integers and they are in the form of P upon Q. It means all the natural numbers can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, means all the natural numbers are also rational numbers. Next, 0 can be expressed as 0 upon 1. Here both numerator and denominator are integers and they are in the form of P upon Q, hence 0 is also a rational number. It means all the whole numbers are also rational numbers. Next, what about the numbers like 3.5, that is decimal numbers. 3.5 we can express as 35 upon 10. Again, both are integers and they are in the form of P upon Q. Hence, this number, that is decimal number, is also belong to the set of rational numbers. But any number with denominator
0.
is not defined. Hence, Q cannot be equal to 0. It means all natural numbers whole numbers, integers, fractions, decimals are rational numbers. We can show the relation between various sets of numbers with the help of diagram. For example, this set of natural numbers lies within the set of whole numbers, set of integers and set of rational numbers. It means all the natural numbers are whole numbers, all the natural numbers are integers and all the natural numbers are rational numbers also. Similarly, the set of whole numbers lies within the set of integers as well as set of rational number. It means all the whole numbers are integers as well as rational numbers. Next, the set of integers lies within the set of rational number. It means all the integers are rational number. But if we move in reverse order, then we see all the rational numbers are not integers, all the rational numbers are not whole numbers, all the rational numbers are not natural numbers. Similarly, all the integers are not whole numbers, all the integers are not natural numbers. Next, all the whole numbers are not natural numbers.